Maya, a quiet girl who preferred the company of her art supplies to loud games, was exploring the dusty attic one afternoon. Tucked away in an old chest, she found a peculiar wooden pencil, its surface intricately carved with swirling patterns that seemed to glow faintly in the dim light. Curiosity piqued, Maya took the pencil to her room and began to draw a small, delicate bluebird on a fresh sheet of paper. To her utter astonishment, the bluebird on the page suddenly flapped its wings, chirped, and then flew straight off the paper, disappearing out of her open window. Stunned but thrilled, Maya quickly realized this was no ordinary pencil. She started to test its magic, drawing a luscious bowl of colorful candies, which promptly materialized on her desk. Next, she sketched a tiny, warm kitten, and a real, purring feline jumped into her lap. Maya was ecstatic, filling her small world with the simple wonders she'd always wished for. But one day, her classmate Ben, notorious for his teasing, snatched the pencil from her. His eyes glinted with greed as he furiously scrawled a drawing of piles of gleaming gold coins, hoping to become rich. To his dismay, as his fingers touched the drawing, the coins dissolved into nothing but dust. The magic pencil, it seemed, refused to grant wishes born of selfishness. Ben, defeated, dropped the pencil, and Maya retrieved it, a lesson dawning on her. The true magic of the pencil wasn't just in creating things, but in its ability to bring joy and aid to those in need. With a renewed sense of purpose, Maya decided to use her newfound gift to help her community, understanding that kindness and compassion were the most powerful forces of all.